I haven't been in Venice Beach forever. So many different vendors here. Got characters. This could do hair braiding. Got artwork going on. Henna tattoos for people who aren't good with commitments. All kinds of artwork for sale. Didn't even go out to the beach today, like not to the actual sand. Guess I cleaned up a lot of the homeless situation here. Okay, that's always good. And all kinds of other artwork. All kinds of artwork and stuff. That looks bootleg as hell, dude. I'm sorry. Oh, that's funny. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Happened to be out in Venice Beach. Got some family in town. They wanted to look around. There is an SNS. Man, I've been meaning to check this place out. Let's go see what's up. Go see what they got. All right, right along the Venice boardwalk, I do have sneakers and stuff right here, aka SNS. I've been meaning to check this spot out forever, but there are no other sneaker shops here, and I think I have to pay, what, 20 bucks for parking here. So yeah, let's look around, let's see what they got. All right, they do require hand sanitizer, but yeah, this is pretty dope, super clean. Of course, we gotta start with all the retros. Got a ton of them. But I want to say most spots got most of these, right? 6s, 7s right here. Do got the 5s, heritage ones, some lows. These lows, I don't think I've ever seen these lows anywhere. Okay. Not really too familiar with these. Smoke gray with like some pink on it, 100 bucks apparently. And got some quartz, center quartz, got a few of them. Got more, Nikes, and then got these right here. Okay, these are the Big Bangs, $240 for these. I'm surprised they still got these here. I've only seen this, I think, a couple other shops. Nice kicks. Dude got the Airmore Tempos. I do like the fact they got the prices, like I hear, $170 for these. Been showing these for a while, and I don't know. I've been very critical about this portion right here. I'm not really digging that. The Nikes, however, not too bad. I'd rather have it without it though. Kind of the way it is, the OGs. $120 for these. And I got some Bo Jacksons right here, the trainers. Okay. These is going for retail. Retail's $120 for those as well. Okay. Still got the Halloween Prestos right here. These mugs going for $150, not on sale yet. Let me see if they have any sale items here. But their selection, not bad, not bad. Selection of Air Max 90s right here. This one got some premium material on it, $140 for those. We've seen those at a bunch of spots and seen these at the outlets as well. Got some New Balance 2002s. Material on these are pretty freaking nice. $190 for these. Look at that long hair suede right there. $190 for these as well. Suede on it, not as nappy, not as long. But if you like the color, not too bad. Not digging this right here, but you don't really have to have that on. Okay. Got some made in the USA's. Look at that suede on this thing. Oh my goodness, this is so dope. $190 though, a little steep for my blood to be honest, but made in the USA, don't see that too often. That's fire. Seen the 990s a ton of times. These are going for $190. Got a few different colorways. I don't think I've seen this colorway anywhere. So that's actually pretty dope. $190 for all those. Got a couple of, are these Reeboks or are these not Reeboks? What the hell? I don't even know. Yeah, these are Reeboks, right? They just look different and they don't have the logo right here. Got some specialty version, collab of the questions right here. $400. $400 freaking dollars. I guess there's some sort of collab. I've never even seen these before. Never seen these. Damn, $400. That's insane. Material, I'm sure super. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Wow. 400 bucks is kind of steep though. Gel Light 3s, $170. These are pretty dope. This has to be a collab though. Oh, it's Gore-Tex. It has Gore-Tex on it. That's fire. You know I got to check out these forums. These forums are ridiculous. That leather is just super nice on these. I'm not too familiar with this pink one though. Just super dope. 100 bucks. Super nice. I'm a fan of that. Got suede on the back right there. Got a couple more of these forums. This one's okay. This one's okay. And got these. These go for $120. Why is this one even more? Oh, this is an SNS. They have an SNS collab right here. That's fire, dude. We have not seen this anywhere because to collab with these guys, obviously. That is fire, $120. Let's use that premium leather on it too. Okay, okay. Got some superstars. I've never seen these superstars. Colorway looks almost exactly like the Converse, the PJ Tucker Converse. But yeah, I do like these. Got some suede. And the leather on the side, that, oh man, premium leather. $120 for these. That's ridiculous. Like, I've never seen some of these. Like, these are $120 as well. That premium leather, that is just fire, dude. That's fire. Never really seen these. These the ZK2K boost? No, there's no boost on it. I don't know what these are. Do got some Adidas here that I've never seen. These are some of the OG stuff right here. Okay, $100 for these. All right. Door to one of the storage rooms. They got a van. No, that's actually a car door, right? Car door. They threw that on the side. That's actually pretty dope. Back section. Is this women's clothing right here, or women's sneakers? That's actually pretty dope. Oh wait, but they also got. Is this like a sales section right here, or just like the one of section right here? Because they only have a few things. Maybe it's grade school. I don't remember these being in grade school. This is a size 7 right here. Space Jams. And maybe this is a smaller one. Maybe that's why it's back here. No, they only made these in men's sizes, but they do got them back here. Yeah, I think it's just the grade school sizing because all the grade school stuff here. $135. All right, grade school Easters right here. Jordan 1 lows. Still got some playoffs. Obsidian 13s. Got some Air Force Ones in the back I've never seen before. Different colors. $135 for these right here. Never seen those. Have I seen these? This is the women's section. Have I seen these before? I don't think I ever have. It does have Zoom X in the inside right here. What the hell? This is kind of crazy. Kind of crazy. Fusion of a bunch of different shoes. Or a couple different shoes, it looks like. Alright, these are going for $140. Might be the cheapest way to get Zoom X. Dude, got some Air Max 95s for $175. Air Max 90s. These are going for $149. Damn, is that extra premium leather? Is it SE version or something? Has brown laces. We don't see that too often. Couple of Hirachis, nothing too crazy. Then some Air Max 97s I've never seen before. Got patent leather on the bottom. Definitely not seen that before. That's actually pretty crazy. Okay. Okay, they're here. Almost forgot to show what I am wearing. I'm wearing some Pegasus 34s from a while back. Wearing this because we're doing a ton of walking along the beach and stuff like that. Then how to represent with Shaq, one of my favorite players. Try to match the shoes a little bit. Had Kobe's on earlier, but man, too much walking today, man. All right, let's wrap it up. Whenever there are tourists, there's fools getting hustled. Don't do that. Don't do the bottle cap thing, dude. Dang. Got Muscle Beach. Maybe I'll do a little workout, make these fools look small. Yeah, right. I never noticed they even have a stage right here, right in front of Muscle Beach. That's hilarious. Y'all want to show off your stuff in a little bodybuilding competition. Also do have the basketball courts, the legendary basketball courts at Venice. I don't see anybody hooping it up like crazy. They even got a referee. That fool's dressed like a referee. Damn, that's like the third or fourth table I've seen. So many hustling going on. Oh my god. That's a plant. That's a plant right there. I didn't know paddleball was such a big thing here. Of course, street hot dogs and all that. Paddleball, dude, look. They got a ton of people waiting to get next. That's crazy. I've never even seen paddleball. It's like a smaller version of tennis, I guess. That's crazy. They got multiple courts, yo. That's crazy. That's crazy. All right, who got next, fools? Who got next? All right. All right, I need to go to the sneaker shop. Yeah, this fool just kicked the hell out that ball. Shouldn't there be a fight or something?